n8n versus Power Automate. Which one should you be using for automation? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare n8n and Microsoft Power Automate, two powerful tools for automating workflows. So you can decide which one fits your needs best. Let's start with Power Automate. It's Microsoft's all-in-one automation platform, built for people already in the Office 365 ecosystem. If you use Teams, Outlook, SharePoint, or Dynamics, Power Automate makes it super easy to connect everything and automate repetitive tasks, like approvals, data entry, or notifications. Now let's talk about n8n. n8n is an open-source, self-hosted workflow automation tool. It gives you full control. Great if you're a developer or power user who wants custom integrations and doesn't want to rely on a third party. You can run it locally or on your own server, which is perfect for privacy-focused businesses or tech-savvy teams. So which one is better? If you're already using Microsoft 365 and want plug-and-play automation, go with Power Automate. But if you value flexibility, transparency, and control over your data, n8n might be the better fit. Both are awesome, just built for different kinds of users. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.